So is crypto.com literally the best exchange in the world? If you go by market cap, they actually number 3. You have number 1 is Binance, number 2 is FTX, and if you look at their prices and just go into coin market cap, you see BNB is trending down 7%, FTX is trending down 68%. It's crazy. And you look at crypto.com, Chronos is down 14%. So, the CEO of Crypto.com did a statement yesterday. Now, I'm a 100% Crypto.com Crow holder, believer, everything. I honestly didn't want him to say anything, but it is what it is. And, I guess people probably was putting the pressure on him, asking, was anything in trouble on his side, of Crypto.com. So, I'm about to read what he said in a tweet yesterday. He said, "A sad day for the industry. This once again confirms that building with compliance and security as our foundational pillars is the right long-term call." So he's saying with compliance, basically regulations, make sure everything is right. Security, make sure your funds are safe, and a strong foundation so you can literally stay growing long-term. So people got mad at Chris when they lowered rates, right? Lower rates, people was pissed off, and he like, look, if y'all want us to be in business 20, 30 years from now, we got to do what the hell we got to do. And we started to see other companies start to fold, and he like, hey, I can give y'all this percentage, but I'm going to be blocking y'all money, not being able to, we're going to be in a bad situation, right? So we made a good call. We have never engaged in irresponsible lending, no risk of bad debt losses. So he said we haven't basically gave our money irresponsibly, no risk of bad debt losses. And a lot of companies got debt, but he's like, look, we basically ain't giving money. What I said I didn't like with FTX is like, okay, you're trying to buy Three Arrows Capital, you're trying to buy Voyager, you're trying to buy failing companies. So why are you buying something that's already not successful? It's just a dumb business move. So that's made me realize he didn't know business, or he knew something that I didn't know. But overall, he didn't know business. We never operated a hedge fund, no risk of trading losses. Our business is very simple. Provide access to cryptocurrency and take a fee for it. This is the headline right here. Our business is very simple. Y'all know on my channel, I like to keep things simple as hell. We are providing people cryptocurrency and we keep taking the damn fee. No rocket science, just that simple. Our direct exposure to FTX meltdown is basically nothing, less than $10 million of our own capital deposit there for customers trade execution. That's very little compared to revenue. So basically, don't worry about that. So what does the crypto community do now? We must collectively work twice as hard to rebuild the trust lost today. So because of their BS, crypto is down as a whole. Look at it. We taking a loss because of freaking Sam Bankman-Fried and CZ. Both of them completely ruined cryptocurrency, and we took 50 steps back yesterday off their BS. And all the gains is completely gone. The trust. We're going to probably need more regulations. I've never been pro-regulation since yesterday and than I ever been. So Crypto.com will do its part as the third largest crypto platform globally with 70 million users. We have always maintained one-to-one reserve. So for those that don't understand, that means if you got $100 in Crypto.com, they have $100 on the sideline just in case if you need to pull your money out. If you got $1 million, we got $1 million on the side. So they can't get in that position. I hope he's right, because Sam Bankman-Fried said damn near the same thing the day before. He, most of them be lying. Hopefully Chris is an honest guy and believe that doing is so most. Okay, let me read this again. We have always maintained a one-to-one reserve and believe that doing so is the most basic operating principle, which is we will push for increased transparency and regulations of the industry to ensure this is the standard by which all crypto platforms operate. 100% agree. Consumers deserve nothing less. As the industry most regulated platform measures by licenses, registrations, and security certifications, we recognize the importance of transparency and will continue to engage regulators to strengthen and safeguard our industry so that this has happened today and will not be repeated. Global adoption of cryptocurrency depend on it. Ooh boy. Crypto.com is my GOAT, is my favorite. I love everything they're doing. That's why I always say this is a buy and hold for 20 plus years. You see their platform, you see what they're doing. They had their lower rates to make sure they stay in it for the end game. They have the best app out of all of them, the most user friendly, the most options, their cards, everything. Look at this Bitcoin, 18,000 right there. Only cards you need, baby. So yes, I'm a Crow believer. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Are you still buying Crow? Because right now I'm about to probably at least put $100 in the Crow because the price is at 9 cents, and that is a buying opportunity for me. So I'm gonna throw it back over there. If you've not subscribed already, what are you doing? Don't mess around, don't play around. It's your boy Lando Success. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be up to date whenever I do new videos. Talk to you guys soon. I'm out.